Elders say that the good that onion can do is not done by the mother. Onion not only preserves health, beauty. Experts say that onion also helps in hair care. Onion works as a great medicine for those suffering from hair fall problem. Sulfur in onion increases the production of catalase, an enzyme responsible for hair growth, improves blood circulation and protects hair. A research has made it clear that applying onion juice reduces hair fall and returns. You can have thick hair with nutrients like zinc, sulfur, folic acid, B vitamin and potassium present in onion. Nutrients in onion prevent bacteria and fungi and keep dandruff at bay. Let's see how you can get shiny and thick hair with onions. Prevents dandruff. Mix 6 spoons of onion juice with 2 spoons of curd and apply it to the scalp and hair and let it dry for 40 minutes. Then take a bath with warm water. If you do this once a week, you will get rid of problems like dandruff. It works as a good conditioner and makes the hair smooth. Controls the level of sebum and keeps the scalp healthy. Hair grows thick. Mix 4 to 5 spoons of onion juice with 2 spoons of castor oil and massage the scalp with this oil. After 2 hours, take a shower with lukewarm water. Its ricinoleic acid, omega-6 fatty acids and vitamins improve blood circulation. The pH levels are normal. This makes the hair grow thicker. Apply with honey. Mix 2 spoons of onion juice with a spoon of honey and apply it on your hair and take a shower after 20 minutes. By doing this, the hair will grow thick. Curus becomes silky. Strengthens hair roots. Beat an egg in a bowl, add 4 to 5 spoons of onion juice and 3 drops of tea tree oil and mix. Apply it on the scalp and take a bath after half an hour. If you do this twice a week, hair roots will become strong. Reduces hair fall. Mix 1 onion paste in half a cup of coconut oil and mix it with juice. Treat it well to the hair. After applying this oil, the head must be washed exactly half an hour later. Applying this mixture twice a week will reduce hair fall. Prevents white hair. Extract the juice from 1 onion and keep it aside. Grind a bunch of curry leaves finely and add onion juice to the mixture and apply it on the scalp. Take a shower after an hour. Doing this twice a week will reduce graying of the head and hair fall.